Good morning. March 22nd, 9 o'clock. Get starting one more live stream. Day trading. Let's go look what we got here. Before I move too quick, let me just double check on audio and video. If anybody there, please put it on the chat that it's all okay, but I'm gonna double check here too. Looks like we're good. Yep, sounds good. So let's get this going. All right, so let's go. My charts here, let me just fix this a little. So this is the swing trading tab. Make sure I got them all correct. It says the double chart and this is the multi-chart. Okay, all right, so here's the day trade tab. NASDAQ. Get my tool over here. So let's go to, make sure I got all the charts. Get some more connections here, connecting the brokers. All right, so let's go to the 15-minute time frame to look at the overall picture. Let's clear, let's hide this, hide that for now. All right, 15-minute important zones on the bottom here. Of course, market is doing all-time highs every single day. Made a big move. This was the FOMC meeting. Made a huge move and then went a little up yesterday and made all-time highs and consolidated. So let's get started with the levels we like for the day trade, which is the low of yesterday, the high of yesterday. Also, let's put, I'm gonna do one more here since they the same. I'm just gonna put it out a little bit just so we can see it. This will be the all-time high. That all-time high. Okay, I'm gonna have to put it a little slightly higher. This one, previous day high low, previous day high low. And let's also do the opening of the day, which was yesterday 6 o'clock. So let's go here and do opening. So now we got all the levels set up. We got the start in there. Now let's turn on the pivot points. So now as you can see with the pivot points, we do have, that's the main pivot point. That's resistance 1, R1. This is S1, S2, S3, S4, and we got more R's at the towards the upside. So those are the levels. As you can see, the pivot points, they conflict pretty nice with all of the zones. That's why I like to use them. This is the 50% of the move. And if you go back, even if you go back, let's put this one. If you put a line over here on that pivot point, just do default, okay? And you go back, you see that that line conflicts, you know, it shows this zone. That line conflicts with this zone. That line conflict with this zone. You see how far I'm going? That line. That small zone right there. And even if you just do 1 hour to make it easy, right? 4 hour. Where is that line? Just recently. How many? Look how many. Oh, that's the price right there. Sorry. But look how just on that. So this, that, this small zone here. And we got this. So you see how many times, how, you know, how helpful it is, the pivot points. So you don't have to keep, you know, putting, look at this one over here. I'm gonna do this a little thicker so you can see it. All right, let me do this one. Look where that line goes. That's just the pivot, the daily pivot point support. Conflict with 1, 2, 3, 4 zone. Here, here, here. I'm gonna do another one. Here, a whole zone, a whole zone. Here, zone, here, 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 here. So you see how important those levels, they help, they very, very helpful. They just tells you right away what was the support and the resistance on the past, the zones of interest. And so you don't have to kind of keep going crazy on the chart and searching. Once that level reach, you just do a quick hands on towards the left and look at where it's, what's showing over there. Right? So we got the pivot points. Let's go back 15 minutes. Now we know it, the price already rejected that. So in general, price working below the pivot point, it's they call a bearish sentiment. If the price is working above the pivot point, they call bullish sentiment. They usually call the day it's going to be bullish. If the market it's going to be more bullish. If the price is working below, the day is going to be more bearish. You don't want to get too attached. You don't want to get too attached to that, to the T, but you can use that as a confluence with another things. Like here, prices below the pivot point rejected. It rejected the opening. It's coming back to test the lows of yesterday. So all, you know, there's 1, 2, 3 points that we can put together. Along with that, we can turn the moving averages on. So the price worked below the both moving averages. The 200, the 21, both simple moving averages. So the price worked below both. Now it's coming back to test all this area, and potentially, if rejects, can come back and work below the moving averages, breaking this point, retest, and confirm the bearish sentiment for the day. So that's a start, right? So let's go to, let's see, how do we look in 15 minute? We can start doing, if we want to put some lines, 15 minute. I don't like to put too many because then the charts just get too busy. But there's a channel right there. A little flag forming. Now that it's a downtrend, it's a downwards channel. Usually downwards breaks to the upside, upwards breaks to the downside. You just gotta pay attention on that. But there's a lot of, you gotta understand there's a lot of room here. To trade this empty area. That didn't happen to anything yesterday on that area. And then there's all of this area below that the price did not trade on the past day, that we can contest it as well. Five minute. So the 15 minute, it's nice to set up, you know, to get an overall picture for the day trade. I don't think it needs more than the 15 minute to look at the overall, especially if if you're doing trades on the 2 minute and the 1 minute, the 15, look at the 15 minute, it's basically plenty enough. Now, if you entering on 5 minute, it's still the 15 minute be a nice look, but I would have probably looked better on the 1 hour. But I wouldn't pass that. I mean, it's the information you get past that. It's just whatever happens on the 1 and the 2, it's way far beyond the 1 hour. You got too much move already in the 5 minute. So 15 minute overall. We can clearly just can see a downtrend on a 15 minute. And then what makes it easy is you go to 10 minute, you already see that the moving averages are already working towards the downside. So the 21 is working below the 200. So it's already that. You can either use, it means the trend line and the moving averages are showing you the same thing. So you don't need I would have just only kept one of them. Go to the 5 minute, same thing. Working below and the downtrend showing. So I wouldn't, then if you go to 2 minute, they doing the same. Then 1 minute, they doing the same. So I mean, all the charts are conflicting. So you don't need that trend line right there. You can leave it, but. So with that being said, 15, let's say the 10 minute, it's already showing this. 5 minute, that's as of right now, that's the side that I'm gonna go forward to get started, right? 1 minute, and we're gonna look for entries right there on the 1 minute. We on the NASDAQ. I'm not seeing my buttons here. Play execution, no, instant buy and sell button. Okay. 2. All right. Right here, we could have a little entry here. Entry, stop. You already made 1 to 1. You put it on break even. Target 1, target 2. I like to use this little tool here. See, entry right there. Target 1, target 2, get out, wait for the next move. Quick scalps. 1, 2, 3, 4. It might make 5 minutes. You risk very little. You gain more than 1. You gain almost 3. I mean, if you can also leave a runner to that extra area. 6 minutes to the open. Let's see what we got for news. Canada 11. All the news on the US, it's after lunch. 12, 1, 1, 1, 4 o'clock. Not a crazy day for Friday. Not a Guys, hit the like button, subscribe. Put it on the comment, leave me on the comment, put it on the comments or on the chat. What you guys, if you guys like the analysis I do. And also that's fine if you don't like it. And tell me what kind of analysis do you do? How do you work? You use moving averages, you don't use moving averages. You do a breakout, you trade pullbacks. What do you do? I like to see what you guys do. I'll speak English, Portuguese, and Spanish. So if anybody wants to chat in Portuguese, you can put it on the chat or on the comments. I will respond it to. Let me put it there. Okay. Two minutes to the open market already. I guess everybody's turning their bots on. Right. I'm not gonna position on prior to opening. I'm gonna wait. I don't like to be in a trade during the opening. I like to do a pre-market trade, then wait the market to open and then do a trade. Sometimes I get stuck and that's not a good thing. Sometimes it works in your favor, sometimes it completely screws you up. So I'm not up to that. Potential area for a pullback. The golden pocket from this move. It already tested the 50%. You can go a little higher on the pocket, pick up liquidity to keep it going. Potential entry for me. Enter, pull back, breakdown, look in this. So a rejection somewhere in this area leads me to an entry here. Wanted to see a market pick up liquidity up there at the opening. All right, market open. I'm gonna sell 2 at the break of this. Picking up liquidity. Maybe I sell 2 up there. Let's see if it rejects. Selling 2 right there. Stop at the top. Take profit down there. I'm gonna add it on this one. This one is a break even. I'm gonna save profits on that. Did not work, so now we gotta wait. Looking for the downside. All right, this one goes here. This one comes to the break even. Out in one. Market rejecting a lot in there, so I don't want to play too much. All right, we out on that. Let's wait for what's next. I think it's still downside. A lot of rejection there. Anybody took that first trade? So that the moving average capture this. I'm gonna enter again. Wait the close of this candle to see. Still bearish. Ideal here. Let's see that. Moving that here. In a trade. Profit there. Stop at the top. Up P01 in there. Let's do this, that, 2 to 1. That's it right there. Stopped. Still rejecting that area. Selling there. Nope. All right, right there. Let me 17 seconds. Let me wait that candle to close. All right, right there. Ah, come on. Sell it. Women market. Profit below. 2-to-1 the final. And we'll do one over here. Stop at the top. 1-to-1, we'll put it on break even. Just waiting in. Let's see. Too much rejection here, but it's breaking further and further down. All right, break even. Can peel off one anytime here. All right. Buy back one, close that. We only got one, the one all the way in the bottom. We just leave that to see if it runs. Leave it on the break and let that go. Already tested that area, so goes back there, we want to get out. Anything testing this area back, it's another short trade. Breaking, coming back, enter again. More than likely it's going to take us out. It's going to go pick up liquidity at the top, then it's going to flush, but we'll just leave the orders there. All right, got out. Anybody watching any other markets to trade? Let's see what the price does on that area. If it works. Don't know if I want to trade on this area here. Very dangerous here. Oh wait. Let's see what it does on this. The Russell gave it a nice entry too at the opening, right at the after the opening at the 940 candle, 941. Pretty nice. I lost that because I wasn't looking on that. That was a pretty nice trade. Yep. Now let's wait to see if it comes back. Let me show you guys what I see on the, that's the Russell 5-minute. So I like this. This was around the opening. So I set up this, I marked this area which conflicts with the pivot point. Mark this area, conflict with the pivot point. And then in a 1 minute, so any pullback, to this area, rejection, I enter over here. I like this sell zone right there. Look at let's wait and see on that. I might enter on that too. I gotta get my buy buttons in there. Nothing else, just waiting on that. Alright guys, hit the like button if you're watching. Subscribe to the channel. I go live every day, pretty much every day. trading the NASDAQ, Russell 2000, S&P. We trade FOREX. Sometimes we do day trade on cryptos. Cryptos, we usually do more swing trades. Mini index in Brazil. Haven't done anything on the mini index today, but if you guys see anything, just let me know. I got it on the side here on the other chart. That's the mini index. I charted on a trading view, so I used the BR50 on active trades because I do have an account with them. So I use that to chart, and I also enter. Besides, usually I enter here on active trade because I like to play, and I like it's in dollars, so it's better gains, also a better loss. but I also enter. Sometimes I copy and I enter on the profit chart. I'll just keep the same exactly as I chart in here. Sometimes I enter on that same. I ordered on that one too. As you can see at the top over there, I got a account with the Genial. That's my broker in Brazil. And I use the active traders for active trades. I basically only trade the BR50 on it. Everything else I trade on FX CM. But if you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share with a friend. Tell them we got live, and we do lives in the morning. Description, guys, I got the links on the description if you guys wanted to get accounts with Apex, Bullinox. Got discount for prop firms. You can pick up accounts in there using my links. That will help the channel a little bit, and you get the discount no matter which code you use for all of those things. You know, my code, somebody else's code, even the code that they give is the same. But and then if you use somebody else's code, somebody's code, basically you just helping the person. You're gonna get the discount no matter what. So got discounts over there for prop firms. If you're on a US and like to use a cell phone, a Helium Mobile, there's a coupon code over there that you can use as well. Referral link. That's for cellular, mobile phone. Also got a video on Helium Mobile network on the channel. I did it about 2.5 months ago. That was just showing how much I made with the Helium in 1 month that I was using, because they give you rewards. So I basically did like 37,000 coins reward. That was equals like $80 at that time. That was a pretty nice. I mean, it cost $20 for the mobile phone, and you get $80 back. You pay $20 and you end up $60 in profit. And it's almost 3 months that I'm using. And I'm gonna tell you, let me look it on my phone here. I don't have my wallet here. The Phantom wallet that I have here on this computer is not the one that has the coins. So as of right now, almost 3 months, I have, let me put it together because it's 2 wallets. Well, it's like 50,000 coins, and I'm like, after paying the monthly bill, the 2 monthly bills that I didn't pay the third one yet, I got $191 in rewards. That was the rewards that I got on that. So pretty good, can't complain. $60 3 months of phone, $200. Take 60 out, 140 in 3 months. Can't complain. $140 divided by 3, it's $50 a month. Plus the free phone. Can't complain on that, right? All right, so the NASDAQ is just popping up. Oh, I'm on Brazil. Sorry, guys. NASDAQ, he went. I wouldn't buy here, it's too close to that. So I've got to wait. That's the moving, it's rejecting right there on the 5-minute 200 moving average. So we'll just wait that and see if it comes back. If it breaks, it's got to break the 200 moving average, but on 5-minute. To me, to take a long, it's probably not going to happen right now. You have to break the moving average. You have to break that, pull back, give me a nice confirmation, and I have to see the size of the stop to compare with the pivot point, because I need to see how much room, what's the risk to reward on that. Otherwise, I'm definitely just waiting. Moving average to come, do that. Price can do that, trap, then we enter. So it still can do all of that. You guys agree? Or disagree? Or disagreed? Concorda ou sem corda? My Brazilian friends will know what I'm talking about. Like the rejection on the 5-minute. See the moving average going. I'm gonna risk a trade on Russell. See the risk to reward. Stop loss here. Well, I'm in a trade. There's a 3-to-1. Let's put. I'll show you guys in a minute what I did, what I'm doing. Buy one here. We're gonna buy another one there. All right. Show you guys what I did in a second. Left chart. All right, that's the Russell. That's the trade I just put on that. I think it has more downside potential, but I don't want to. Oh, I gotta put my stop. Stop right there. Get stopped. That's get stopped. Get stopped. Don't complain about stops. So I got one profit here. Second one down there. Let me see if I can put that one a little lower. Look at the 5 minute. Here's the green line. Go 5. That's the support right there. There's a red line down. Why do I have a red line? I have two lines on the chart. I was trying to figure what was the what's those lines that I had no idea. Probably put it away back. All right, like that candle. We need some continuation on that. Still gonna give it a little room. It was about 1-to-1, but I'm gonna put it on the break now as soon as it breaks that. Let's see. It almost hit 1-to-1. Let's give it a little break, to a little room to play. That's fine if we get stopped. So we'll do that. And we'll leave it right there. So one, more than 1.5 and more than 2.5. That's the targets that I like to do. Let's watch that. While that the mini index got a little, looks like a little entry here. So 2 on a mini index as well. So 1. Just enter with 1 contract. Mini index did right there. right. So I enter there, stop at the top. It's a little late entry, but target 2.5, 2.61. Once he gets to the bottom, I'm gonna put it on the break even. NASDAQ, it's giving us an entry. And we are in on NASDAQ as well. All right, break even on that. No risk on the trade. Brazil mini index break even as well. It's almost hitting our target. What happened here? Oh, I got disconnected from the broker on this page. That's fine. That's the Brazil. It's about to hit my target right there. Just enter with one contract. Russell is playing with me. It hit my first target, but it didn't take my order because of the spread. My first target is right here. He hit it and the spread didn't take it. Now it's coming back. Brazil, I'm just gonna leave it on even over there and see if it takes that target. Oh, Russell, come on. Go back to get my order. That's the Russell right there. This with this, I got the breaker connected in here. Sometimes my broker just the broker they disconnect it from if got multiple pages. That's all. It's on a break even. If it goes bad, goes bad. on the other side. I did not enter. I did not enter in here. Just on the Brazil broker. I'm gonna put my stop here, and I want that just to flush and get that. Let's watch that. Come on. You can take my target. To the T. To the T, right? Come on, one flush, one little quick flush. Yep. Order field. Okay. My target was higher. It's higher over here. I just left it there. That's fine. All right. So let's go. That one was a win again. Russell. Come on, Russell. Come get my target. Let's see how that spread works now. It hit the target. The spread is just not taken. Ah. Come on. A little more. A little more for the spread. There we go. Target one. Let's let target two. Target two is right on that. Target two is right here. At 261. Let me the main chart. Let me put it on the NASDAQ now back. We got off or entry. It's playing with us, huh? There's an entry right there again. Oh, we didn't enter in here. We still actually, oh no, that's working. I was like, what the heck? Now we on a trade. I was like, why is my, it was on zero. I was like, I'm not in a trade. No, I am. NASDAQ. It's plain. Oh, I closed my browser. Didn't want to do that. Let me open again. There we go. There goes NAS. I got my first target way below there. Where's my second one? It's way below. More than. Maybe I'll take profits on here. Let's wait and see what this is gonna do. All right. The chat up. All right, as moving. Russell, supposedly it hit our target. It's yes, so we got out of the Russell. Russell killed our target. Profit 1, profit 2. Now NASDAQ. I'm not gonna play much with the NASDAQ, to be honest. NASDAQ likes to play bad with the kids, so I'm gonna do a quicker target there, and I'm gonna do a regular target on that one. I wanted to just to get that going, and then I'll put it on a break even. I want to get this target filled, like right there. Let's see if we get that. I don't like that he formed a higher high here. So I want to flush, or I just want to get out. All right, let's get the flush going. incoming. Let's see. Come on, just come here and get my target. Do me a favor. Guys, I'm gonna leave it here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a coffee. I'll leave the screen going. All right, looks like we're moving. Looks like we're moving. Let's see if we pick up this target. I wanted to put those things on, put that on a break even, and just watch for the remaining. Come on, you can't reject it. This keeps rejecting this area. That means that's not good. Right? Because one rejection, and then here, and then again, so it needs to flush that, kill all the stops, and then go. There we go. Too much play on that area. I want to make sure that I don't get wrecked. There we go. Now you have to go. Come on. Don't make me do one market. I'm gonna do it. All right, kill that. Now we just got the one at the bottom. It's gonna take us out. So if it takes out, and then we'll just wait. It could not. All right, let me go pick up my coffee. I just put on a coffee maker. So we're still on the trade, huh? All right. We'll just leave our targets there now and we'll just watch. If we got out, we got out. If we get out like that, that's it. You didn't touch it. You guys saw the spread just picked up. Let's make sure to kill that order on the bottom there, because that was in ATM, OCO. All right. Now, it's playing too much in here. It's playing too much on this area, so now we want to be careful. Get my coffee here. course, he just wanted to get us out and then flush, right? Now look at that. Alright, just waiting to see if we come up with something. Got a potential double bottom here, triple bottom. It's rejecting a lot this area. So at this point, it should have had a flush that already, and he didn't. So see how the fall, and then this is a huge, that's a good area. So let's wait and see. The Russell just flush it down. It passed our target like twice already. S&P is getting very heavy now, so probably the NASDAQ it's gonna get to. 2 minutes gets a little cleaner. But still, there is a big consolidation. What's the we don't have any news during the morning now. $12 o'clock. We got a Fed speaking. All right. Let me get this call here real quick, guys. All right, as you can see, guys, it's not doing anything. So we have to wait. Nothing below. Would like to see break of this area, come back, reject it, then maybe we enter right there. I don't see a lot of buying right now with all of these, that, this zone, that. So it's, I mean, there's a nice target up there, but I mean, it's just too risky to me. I think it with this triangle, descending triangle, I think it's a more downside, but we need a little more confirmation to make, you know, the break of this support line, support area. It's 11 o'clock, so it's getting late. The market, it's getting a little slow now, especially Friday. So we might don't do anything else. We might just done there. It might give us an entry now. Did I enter on a mini index again here. One lot, just one contract. Sold it right there. Stop at the top. Target down there. So let's see if it holds this area. Put it a bigger. Let's set the chart. How many points we got on that stop? 100 points. I don't know if I should have put it like right there, 150 points, a little bigger. I don't know if we should have do this. 178. We still got a little room to not be negative, like right there. I think that's more reasonable. I like 150 point stop on the mini index, but we'll give it that in case it does like that, right? Kind of makes sense. I like more a candle stop, or you know. So we'll give that to see it. All right, stop right there. Nas going up. I think I'm done. Got a few trades already going. We don't need to start kind of forcing things. It's Friday and I got a few things to go run. All right guys, like this, subscribe to the channel, hit the like, and see you guys on the next trade. That would be Monday. All right, peace.